you're so adorable.
His name's Ozzy.
Ozzy?
Yeah.
Look at you, babes. You're so cute. You can put a ponytail on his head.
Yeah, something like that.
Golden. How old is he?
I think he's like 5.
Oh, he's
yeah.
grown. Oh, he's so cute.
Ozzy, you want to say anything? All right. Yo, YouTube, what is happening, man? You already know. Welcome back. It is the only Carter. Blessing y'all with another video. As y'all can see, I'm here. Finally made it back. I'm at the Beanstalk right now. This is where I usually come out and, you know, just chill. But yeah, we're gonna do a POV. I'm gonna go get some coffee and we're gonna chill. I brought my little friend right here, little Oswald. I don't know if y'all boys know. He the goat. He's a little excited because I'm bringing him on a drive with us. But anyways, let's hop into this game. Yo, we finally did it, boys. The drive was easy. Hold on, let me put you right here, Oswald. Let me start up the car real quick. But 2 things I want to say. Chill. Chill right here, Ozzy. Chill right there. All right. 2 things I want to say. I appreciate the fans and the love. We're about to drive a 2025 Toyota Camry as always. We made it back all in one piece. You know, my tires are fine. Everything's cool. Definitely gonna have to get a car wash when I get back to school because it's gonna be raining all week. You guys know we're gonna get another ASMR. I'm gonna do a POV drive review. I'm gonna give you guys probably what it's like to drive a Camry. Just some few ideas out there that I'm gonna do something for y'all for this week. The goal is to get at least 5 videos here. Where's the first stop we going to, Oz? All right, let's just hop into it. He's coming for the experience. Oswald. We got a Shih Tzu, boys. It was a nice day, you know. Thought he wanted to come out. Come with me. I'm about to go to Starbucks. You know, I'm about to get him a little treat. He probably has no clue. He's just happy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know. Dang, Ozzy, I didn't know you fall like that. Come on now, gang. Lock in. Today might be a dash day. I don't know. Dang, we just had to run it.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Hello, can I do a venti hot chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
And can I do a grilled cheese extra toasted?
Anything else?
And then can I get a pup cup by chance? Get out, Ozzy. Come on, get out. Come on, stay down there.
Hi, cutie. Hi. Oh, you're so adorable.
His name's Ozzy.
Ozzy?
Yeah.
Look at you, babes. You're so cute. You can put a ponytail on his head.
Yeah, something like
so
that.
Golden. How old is he?
I think he's like 5.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
grown. Oh, he's so cute. I have your pup.
Ozzy. Yeah. It's not as bad as Paris. You know, Paris don't know how to act. Appreciate it. Come on, Ozzy. All right, so go over there, go over there, go over there. I'll let you have it right here. I didn't mean to push you, man. Can't bring Paris around. So, yo, chat, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take the long way to the crib. And hopefully y'all enjoy this POV. It was on calm. This week is starting new stuff. Thank you. Oh shit. I know, Ozzy. Fix that face.
What kind of dog is that?
A Shih Tzu?
A Shih Tzu?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like that dog.
Appreciate it. God bless, man. See, Ozzy? She likes you, yo. Ozzy. Ozzy. Come on. Alright, so look, this is what we're gonna do, chat. Put the food right here. Got the hot chocolate right there. So look, we're gonna go down that way. We about to go on a little side mission. I got a little Oswald. And we just gonna chill. Happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. Start of the new week. Let's make some new opportunities. Hit some goals this week, fellas. And ready for the next week. My bad, Oz. Ozzy, come here. Come on now. Alright, I'll just put it down for right now, alright? You don't need that too much right now. Ozzy, you want some more? Alright. The black wing, I'm gonna let y'all know, the black wing for the Camrys I've seen on lots of Toyota Camrys, especially the TRD models, but the spoiler is so sweet. I think it looks good with the car. I feel like the aftermarket spoiler is better than the spoiler they got on the 9th gen. I mean, it's flat, it's down, but it's not really a spoiler. To me, I feel like a spoiler, it has to look good and it has to fit the car. Not all spoilers fit each car. Not saying not saying like fitting wise, like it wouldn't fit, but it has to look good, it has to match the car. See, that it's the same thing as mine. Oh my god, that was a roller coaster, man. Muddy. Okay. Want some more? Want some more? Want some more? I'm so happy for daylight saving because it's finally where we get to like actually enjoy and live life, where we don't have to live life in fast mode, like 2x speed. Because in the winter time, why does it feel like the days always go by quick? Exactly. The days are like 25 minutes for me, right? You wake up, do what you gotta do, work, blah, 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 blah. Next thing you know, it's 3 o'clock. Next thing you know, it's 9 p.m. Next thing you know, bedtime. You know what I'm saying? But now that it's daylight and we sprung ahead, we actually get to enjoy life, you know what I'm saying? By the fullest. Yup, it's almost summer. Oh my God. I'm low-key making a mess. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I got a hot chocolate, grilled cheese. I know I said that on the menu, but oh, potholes. I know I said that when I was ordering, but I just want to let y'all know. It's a chill little morning drive, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think it's almost time to hit a review. I got y'all with that. Any more? Oh my, Mr. Whiskers. All right, we're gonna launch this. Ozzy, it's gonna be your first time being in a launch. Ready? Oh my God. First time being in a launch? I think it was a 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Saucies. Twiz. It's such a beautiful day today. Hey, if you guys made it this far and you guys enjoyed the little morning drive, make sure you guys do subscribe, like, comment, do y'all thing with it. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Me and Ozzy gonna see you in the next one. Don't know if he's gonna participate in the next video. He said he just wanted to slide, so I let him slide. But the other dog doesn't know how to act. The little Frenchie I got does not know how to act. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. Do y'all thing with it. Make sure y'all subscribe. I love y'all. The Only Carter out.